So to find documents relating to different manors, you can go onto the National Archives Manorial Documents Register. Once you're on that page, you can browse the alphabetical list of manors. So if we have a click on this, you can see that we can scroll down. So if I go on to B, we can scroll down and we can find several different Norfolk manors here. The Bacon's Manor in Galston, Baconsthorpe, Loddon, and so forth. So if we click on the one for Galston, we can see that it says, although that they know of this manor, no records are known to survive. So it's really useful to know that as well. This is not a definitive list of all manors in the country, I should say. So some manors where there are no records known to survive, the name may not have survived either, so we haven't got that included. So we don't know about that manor. So if we were to go on to Baconsthorpe, for example, you can see that this one has got different documents with it, and you can also see that they're not just within the Norfolk Record Office. So that, although we've got some held by the Norfolk Record Office here with the references, we have got one held by Cambridge University Library. You can click on the description and that will take you through to the Record Office catalogue. So if we click on the description, you've got the catalogue here, and then we can click on to see it in external, in our NRA CAT, our external catalogue. So there are other ways to search as well. So you can search by manor. So if you go down here, we can either search by manor or search for manorial documents. So two different things. You can either type in the name. So if we're going to type in Bacon, for example, we know we've got some manors called Bacon in Norfolk. So type in Bacon and we can search that way. And we get 12 results coming up. And this is because not just Norfolk manors are coming up, but also Essex. You've got some here for Cambridgeshire, Essex again. There's some in Suffolk here. So we might want to refine our search. So if we go back, we can include the county as well. So we can scroll down, select Norfolk and search for Bacon there. And then we have 7 results. So there are 7 Bacon's manors in Norfolk. You can then click on those and you can find out a bit more detail from those. Finally, I just want to show you that some of the documents are held in private hands. So if we go on to Edgefield Bacon's Manor, you can see that here we've got one that says collection held privately, inquiries to the National Archives. So if we click on it, it will tell you the address and the email that you need to contact to ask about that particular document. We can also search by parish as well. So I'm going to search for Mulbarton and click on search. And you can see we've got 34 different collections held by 5 different archives for Mulbarton. So again, we've got some here for various places. So we've got Falges Shakespeare Library, we've got Holcombe Hall, we've got Oxford University, and so forth. The National Archives have them as well.